Hi everyone. Today we'll try to learn the very important function of any analysis that you do on data. That is the first step towards getting any insights from a data is to first clean your data of all messy information. You need to eradicate or clean your data so that you have accurate insights on which you can take decisions. Now, Google Sheet allows you or provides you some quick cleaning techniques through its menu bar itself, which we'll go through in this session today. So, what are the cleaning techniques which are available? Let's go to data. And here we'll have an option called data cleanup. It will If I click on cleanup suggestion, it will provide me suggestions on the data that needs to be cleaned up from a column or the data that I select. Remove duplicates will automatically remove the duplicates, and train will remove any spaces which are available. So let's see all these options one by one. Let's talk about cleanup suggestion. Suppose I have this data which has a lot of messy thing. You can see where Chicago, we have all these spaces before the word Chicago. We have United States been written as the entire word United States, and it is also in the form of USA. Yeah. So let's see how this data has been tackled. Also, we have some duplicate rows. So if I see row number 5 and I see row number 6, also the row number 7, all three rows are same. I do not need to have all these three rows if it has the similar information. Yeah. So I would require only one row. So these are other two rows are duplicate. I do not need them. So let's select the data and use the first option. So I'm selecting this data. So I'll go to data and I'll ask the Google Sheet to provide us all the cleanup suggestions that you have for the data. So as soon as I click on it, on the right hand side, there's a new window that opens up. Yeah. Now what it is showing me. Yeah. So there is an inconsistent data which is available. And it is again, wherever the inconsistency is there, it is showing a red exclamation mark above the column to show where the inconsistency or the cleanup is required. Yeah. So wherever this cleanup is required, it is marking the columns with red exclamation mark. Yeah. So what is this saying? Inconsistent data, which is as I said earlier, United States, USA, all are same, right? United States, USA, it is automatically checking on it. Yeah. Suppose I want to delete, I do not want the value, so I'll just remove it. Yeah. I can't remove it. From this list, if I think it is right, if not, then I have to say apply all this or to all the cells, whether I want to keep United States or if I want to put as USA to all the cells. So I'll say apply to all the cells. I'll say apply. Then now United States or USA is consistent across. Again, I'll just revise it once again. Yeah. I'll go back to my sheet. I'll select the data and ask for data cleanup suggestions. Yes, we have already rectified this. So I'll just remove the suggestions once again. I'll select the data. Let's do the cleansing once again. I'll go to data. I'll say data cleaning, cleanup suggestions. Yeah, there are duplicate rows. As I told you, there are duplicate rows. I can remove the duplicate rows. So I can say remove duplicate rows. Yeah. Or I can say there are spaces ahead of Chicago in A2. You select it. Yeah. But I want to ignore it, then it will keep the spaces as it is. If I want to trim it, then it will properly arrange the word and I'll say trim all. Now your data looks much cleaner. Your duplicate rows are removed. Yeah, the United States, which I have already cleaned, I showed you, I reverted the data back, so it's not showing it right now. I have removed the duplicate columns as well. So this is how you clean your data. Let me revert those changes again to see the other options which are available. So I go to data. We just saw how it is showing the cleanup suggestions. Remove duplicates. This was again the same option which was available earlier in the data cleanup when I. So it will ask me to remove duplicates. If I ask to remove duplicates, it will ask me from which column I want to remove the duplicates. 9 rows and 3 columns selected. I'll say data first row is the header. I want to remove duplicates, suppose from column A. You can see column A, remove duplicates. Yeah. So based on column A, it has removed all the duplicates. Yeah. So this is how you use remove duplicates. Again, spaces, trim spaces, which you have again seen when we asked for the suggestion. Yeah. So this is how you clean your entire data so that you have a proper data for your analysis. So where we need to go? Let's go to data, data cleanup, say cleanup suggestions. It will give you the suggestions. Since we have cleaned the data, it is not showing you the suggestions as of now. We can also go back to the stats, which we have earlier seen in our previous sessions. So I'll just skip it as of now. I hope you understood how you can clean the data which is already available here, which will help you to make your insights or the analysis more accurate to take decisions. Thank you so much.